Okay, so let's take a look here. Okay, welcome back, India, and Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you. Okay, let's begin our reports for New Year with the vaccine rollout data for the country of India. In these numbers, not just because they had a single big spike, and that really is it. So it's really kind of curious. They seem to have escaped, the two or three other waves that you see in like the U.S. and other countries, Western countries. Okay, so here we go. It's currently, okay, you can see here that currently, uh, uh, India has administered 1.45 billion doses of vaccine so far. 847 million plus have received the first shot, and 608 million, not point 0.9, have been fully vaccinated. That gives us a first shot percentage of 60.8%. And this one over here gives us a full vaccination rate of 43.7%. Okay, that concludes the initial report, the vaccine report for India. Let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers. Okay, you can see India has had 34.9 million cases, 474,000 plus deaths. You can see these are the cases by year. So we can look here at the year-end numbers. So you can see this is where India wound up with them was what 25 million cases. Is that right? And over 300,000 deaths. Now this thing is curious. You had this spike back here, okay, but then your big spike was over here, okay, India, and your number spiked to 414,188 cases for a single day. And we are seeing a slight spike back up here on January the 2nd at 33,750 with an average of 1,800, 1,850, okay, cases. Now, what about deaths? And you can see your deaths in India spiked on May the 18th at 4,529. And you had this huge spike here for some unknown reason. Back over here, you can see on January 2nd, your deaths had fallen to 123 for a day, with an average of 270.8 deaths per day. We can take a look here at so you can see here, India had the big spike, crazy numbers over here in the second half of the year, the big spike in April and May, and the long declining pattern in COVID-19 cases and since then. Okay, what about deaths? We can see over here. Look at this crazy long declining pattern in terms of COVID-19 deaths for India. Okay, monthly cases. Well, what do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months in a row now. So, India, you wound up the year with a 7 month in a row declining COVID-19 cases. What about deaths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to say you wound up the year with 7 months of either declining or very low deaths. Okay, India. Hey, before I let you go, I do have one small favor to ask. That's that if you watch this video on YouTube, be sure to click the like button next to it. I did see a couple of likes yesterday, which is really encouraging to me. So if you watch the video, it'd be fantastic if you'd actually like the video. Click the like button, okay? So this also really serves for the final report of 2021. That concludes the report for India. We'll be back in one moment with Brazil and Spain.